Wireshark is one of the most widely used tools for analyzing network traffic. In this video, let me show you the process of downloading and installing Wireshark on Windows. So open a web browser, and in the search box, type Wireshark and hit enter. Click on the first result from wireshark.org. This will take you to the official Wireshark website. Scroll down just a little bit and click on Download Now button. You will see stable releases based on the operating systems. For Windows users, simply click on Windows 64-bit installer option. On this page, Wireshark gives you the option to support the project with a donation. This is completely optional, so if you do not wish to donate, simply select this button to continue. The installer will now be downloaded and saved to your computer. Once download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and locate the installer. Then double-click on it to launch the installation setup. Windows Smart Screen may display this warning because it cannot verify the application at the moment. Since the installer is published by the Wireshark Foundation, click Run to continue with the installation. When you are on Welcome screen, simply click on Next button. Take a moment to read through the license agreement, then click Noted. You will see some information about the Wireshark Certified Analyst program, so just click on Next. For the components, the default selection is fine, so click Next. If you want a shortcut icon on the desktop, check this box, then click on Next. The default destination path is also fine, so simply click Next. Wireshark requires Npcap to capture live network traffic, so I will keep this option checked and click Next to continue. USBPcap is an optional component that allows Wireshark to capture USB traffic. I will select Install USBPcap and then click Install. Npcap license agreement will appear. Review the terms, and if you agree, click I agree. On this screen, choose options you need, then click on Install. Npcap has installed successfully. Click on Next, then Finish. USBPcap driver license agreement appears. Review the terms, select I accept the terms of the license agreement, and then click on Next to continue. Another USBPcap license agreement will appear for the USBPcap CMD component. Review the terms, select I accept the terms of the license agreement, and click Next to continue. For USBPcap components, keep all options checked and click on Next. The default installation folder for USBPcap is fine, just click Install. When installation is complete, click Close button to return to Wireshark installer and continue the setup. When installation is complete, click on Next. A system restart is required to finish the setup, but I will select this option to reboot later and click on Finish. To launch the application, go to Windows Search and type Wireshark, then select Wireshark app from the results. When Wireshark opens, you will see main interface with the available network interfaces ready for packet capture. So this is how you can download and install the stable version of Wireshark on your Windows PC.